Here are some interesting facts and perspectives on the latest wooden door design ideas, highlighting trends, materials, and design elements. Sustainability and eco-friendliness. Sustainable materials. Many modern wooden doors are made from sustainably sourced timber, such as bamboo or reclaimed wood. This trend reflects a growing awareness of environmental impact and the desire for eco-friendly products. Low VOC finishes. Manufacturers are increasingly using low VOC, volatile organic compounds, finishes and paints, which are better for indoor air quality and the environment. Minimalist aesthetics. Clean lines. Minimalist door designs emphasize simplicity, with clean lines and a lack of ornate details. This trend is popular in contemporary homes, where less is often more. Flat panel designs. Flat panel doors with smooth surfaces are gaining popularity due to their modern look and versatility. Textured finishes. Natural textures. Textured wood finishes, such as wire brushed or distressed, are in demand. These finishes add depth and character to doors, making them visually interesting while maintaining a natural look. Contrasting textures. Combining smooth and textured surfaces in a single door can create a striking visual effect. Bold colors and stains. Vibrant hues. While natural wood tones remain popular, bold colors are making a comeback. Deep blues, greens, and even bright yellows can make a statement and enhance the curb appeal of a home. Two-tone designs. Mixing different wood finishes or colors on a single door provides a modern touch and adds visual interest. Smart technology integration. Smart locks. Many modern wooden doors now incorporate smart technology, such as keyless entry systems and smart locks, enhancing security and convenience. Integrated lighting. Some designs feature built-in lighting elements, making entrances more inviting and functional. Customization and personalization. Bespoke designs. Homeowners are increasingly seeking hybrid materials, wood and metal combinations. The use of metal accents, such as handles or frames, alongside wooden doors is a growing trend. This combination creates a modern, industrial look that enhances the door's durability. Engineered wood products offer the beauty of natural wood while providing improved stability and resistance to warping. This material is becoming more popular for exterior doors. Geometric patterns. Modern designs. Geometric patterns and designs, such as chevrons or herringbone, are becoming trendy in wooden doors. These patterns can create a striking visual impact and add a contemporary touch. Asymmetrical designs. Asymmetrical door designs that break traditional symmetry can create a unique and eye-catching entrance. Historical influences. Craftsman and mid-century styles. Many modern wooden door designs draw inspiration from historical styles, such as Craftsman or mid-century modern, combining classic elements with contemporary materials and finishes. Artisan touches. Handcrafted wooden doors with artisanal details are increasingly sought after, providing a unique character that mass-produced doors may lack. Increased focus on entryways. First impressions matter. The entrance of a home is often considered the focal point, leading to a rise in elaborate and beautifully designed wooden doors that enhance curb appeal. Landscaping complement. Modern door designs often consider the surrounding landscape, ensuring that the entryway complements the overall aesthetic of the home and garden. Sustainability and eco-friendliness. Sustainable materials. The demand for sustainable design is rising. Manufacturers are using woods from certified sustainable forests, such as FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, certified timber. Bamboo, known for its rapid growth and renewability, is also gaining popularity. Reclaimed wood doors, made from salvaged materials, add character and reduce environmental impact. Low VOC finishes. Traditional paints and finishes can emit harmful chemicals. Modern wooden doors often use low VOC paints and finishes, which are safer for indoor air quality. These eco-friendly options maintain durability while being better for health and the environment. Minimalist aesthetics. Clean lines. Minimalist designs focus on simplicity and functionality. Wooden doors with clean, straight lines and minimal embellishments create a sleek, modern look that fits well in contemporary homes. Flat panel designs. Flat panel doors, devoid of raised or recessed details, are increasingly popular. Their smooth surfaces can be painted or stained in various colors, making them versatile for different styles. Textured finishes, natural textures, textured finishes, such as wire brushed or hand scraped, enhance the natural beauty of wood. These finishes can highlight the grain, giving doors a rustic yet refined look. Contrasting textures, combining smooth and textured surfaces on a single door can create a unique visual effect. For example, a smooth frame with a textured panel can make a striking statement, bold colors and stains, vibrant hues, while natural wood tones remain a classic choice, bold colors are making waves. Deep jewel tones like emerald green, navy blue, and rich burgundy can create a dramatic entrance that stands out. Two-tone designs, mixing two different wood finishes or colors enhances visual interest. For instance, a dark stained top panel combined with a lighter bottom panel can create a contemporary look. Smart technology integration, smart locks. Many modern wooden doors come equipped with smart locks, allowing homeowners to control access via smartphones or keypads. This integration enhances security and convenience. Integrated lighting. Some door designs feature built-in LED lighting, illuminating the entrance and providing safety while creating a warm, welcoming ambience. Customization and personalization. Bespoke designs. Homeowners increasingly seek custom wooden doors tailored to their specific needs. This includes unique sizes, shapes, and finishes that reflect personal style and fit architectural requirements. Incorporation of glass. Wooden doors with glass panels allow natural light to flow in while maintaining privacy. Frosted or decorative glass can add elegance and enhance the door's design. Hybrid materials, wood and metal combinations. The combination of wooden doors with metal accents, such as handles, hinges, or frames, adds a modern industrial touch. This contrast of materials creates a striking visual impact. Engineered wood products, like laminated veneer lumber, provide the aesthetic appeal of natural wood while offering enhanced stability and resistance to warping, ideal for exterior doors. Geometric patterns. Modern designs, geometric patterns, such as chevrons or herringbone, are trending in wooden doors. These designs can create a bold statement and add texture to the entrance. Asymmetrical designs. Breaking from traditional symmetrical door designs, asymmetrical patterns can create unique and eye-catching entrances that reflect modern architectural trends. Historical influences, craftsman and mid-century styles. Many contemporary designs draw inspiration from historical styles. Craftsman doors feature detailed woodwork and often have glass panels, while mid-century modern doors emphasize simplicity and functionality, often using natural wood finishes.